Right. Now, look at your data sheet, student. Listen me. Now, click on your account section. Under the account list, now the new accounts are included. What are the new accounts? Today we completed the few ledger accounts in the assets, liability, income, and the income. Auditorium rent income. Income from sales of all newspapers. Don't know. Workshop income. Cafeteria income. These are new income, no? Likewise, you have upgraded your database by a given information by the paper. Okay. Now look at new customers are there. In new customers, cart file, customers, new customers. Who are the new customers? St. Anthony's, University of California, new customers. And new suppliers are there. Malinga is there, Sanat Sport Corner, new supplier. United Sport, new supplier. Then the new inventory item. Inventory item list. Identify what are the new inventory item available. Now completed the initial databases, including all integration part and all other settings completed by from today morning. Then now we'll start ready to start the recording on transaction. First you open your tutorial, this tutorial, expenditure cycle tutorial. Expenditure cycle. Purchase orders, supply payment, and the recording a balance detail on purchases. Right. Student, there are two types of purchase we can create by the ERP system, by item purchase and service purchase. In the first transaction, PO, item layout order. Item layout order mean purchase on the item. Each purchase order having a PO number. Sometimes company create the quotation and issuing a quotations and quotation converted to the purchase order. Most of the companies are directly raising a purchase order from to the suppliers. So anyway, the order number is there. PO number, quotation number. And supplier name should be there. Either you purchase this item from the vendor 1, vendor A, like this. Supplier in this transaction, Prime Sport Private Limited. And invoice number should be there. And date should be there. These are the basic detail and information for the raising on purchase orders. And item detail. Follow up the item detail from each item. 100 of each item from the handle item. How many handle there? Rubber, RP cord handle, RP rubber handle, RP wood handle. So already these three items create in our inventory files. Inventory file, raw material section. Look at here, item price is there. 400 per item. Right? If you buy the box price, purchased on the box, the box price 8,000. The second one, item price 250, box price 5,000. 350 and 7,000. The basic detail. Refer the item list of buying unit of measurement. Tax applied on not 15%, now applied on 18%. Check the credit limit of the supplier. Before purchase item, the company have to raise the purchase order after settled by the previous bills, outstanding amount, or get the approval from the supplier to increase the credit limit. Otherwise, system will not allowing to the users to continue the purchase orders. Credit limit exceeding the balance, get approval from the supplier and amend the company credit limit in the system. Where do we amend the credit limit? In the supplier credit limit. These are the basic detail on the purchase order. Right. Now we'll turn to the system and try to record on this transaction. Note it down. Recording on purchase orders. Recording on purchase order. Right? New section, purchase section. Click on purchase. Purchase. Okay. Right? Record on purchase order. Then enter purchase. Enter purchase. Come on. Why?
Right. Right. From the purchase order form, click on here, order. Select the order. Purchase order. Supplier from the available list, Prime Sport Import Private Limited. Use the supplier and automatically fill the company detail. From the purchase order, change the order number by giving PO001. PO001. Change the date 2023, month of April, date in 5th April. 5th April. 5th April. Supplier invoice number INV 001. Okay, 001. Now fill the detail, received quantity, the item. Read the transaction again. 100 of each type of handle by 300. 100, 100, 100, 300. From each item, 100.
First one, RP code handle. Type 100. Then select the item, RP code handle. From the item list. RP code handle. Select the item. RP code handle. That is okay? Right? RP code handle. Then unit price per item. $400 per item. We are recording on the item wise, not by the box price. No, 400 per item. No discount given on this PO. The total PO amount 40,000, including a VAT. Including a VAT. Then second item 100. RP rubber handle. Look at here, student. Still this item having a zero quantity in our warehouse. RP cord handle, RP rubber handle, zero quantity. After purchase this, I shall not be purchased at a GRN. The item will be increased. Use this item. The unit price 250 per item. No discount. Liable to pay on VAT. Last one. 100 RP wood handle. Zero quantity. Per item. Okay. Wait. 350. 350. If you are getting on the different window interface, go to the layout. Go to the layout. There are two types of layouts. No? Service layout and item layout. From here, select the item layout. Here, look at here. Layout, click layout. Then open the different window. No? From here, select item layout. Okay? Right. Now complete the 3 item on purchased by this company, Septricker, from the Prime Sport and Import Private Limited. What happened?
කැම් නම්බර් එක ගහලා තමයි ඒකට ලොග් වෙන්න ඕනේ. ඒක ඇතුලේ තියෙන data file එකක් තමයි
ඔව් එහෙම නෙමෙයි ලොකුනේ ඔයගොල්ලෝ. එහෙම හරියන්නේ නැහැ. ඔරිජිනල් ලොග් වෙන්න ඕනේ ඔයගොල්ලෝ. ලොග් වෙන්න. Right. Then in the comment on here, click the down arrow. There are different comments you can add. These are the existing comment. The company willing to add on the new comment, you go to the new comment and add. For the moment, select the one comment here, use comment. Then the mode of delivery, ship via. There are different delivery mode. Select hand delivery, courier, freight, international air freight, like this. International post. The any method you select, I'll select courier method. In courier method, select for my purchased. The promise date mean the supplier promised to supply this item because the order date on 4th, so 5th April, the supplier promised to supply this item maybe 8th April. Give the date on here, promise date. Then subtotal on this PO 100,000. If supplier charge on freight, you can add the freight like 500 rupees. Additional detail. Then increase the total amount and the VAT portion here. Because of that, already we set on the freight charges are VAT liable in our setting part. If you paid on today for this purchase, we can enter the amount on paid today, like 100,000, 500. You are paying like 20,000, 30,000. Paid in today. Not applying on this. Paid on today in the first transactions. Then complete or click record. Click record. Would you like to change the tax code used? No. Use the same tax code. Student. Now look at here. You have credit limit 75,000 with this supplier and available credit on 45,000. Click OK to listen very carefully. Record this transaction. Click OK. Record. But you have to keep in your mind the credit limit issues we have. Record. Okay? Complete the first PO. How we review this PO? Go to the register here in the down. Register. Go to the order form. Third one. Order. No detail. No detail. Because of that, we are in the wrong accounting period. Customize this period by given on 23 April 1st. Now activate on your purchase order. What is the status? Order status. Look at here. No bill status. No quotations. In the order, having a one purchase order IPO 001. PO 001. Is it okay by all? Right? Right. Complete the purchase order 1. Close. Cancel. Right. We'll start from the second. Read the second transactions. Read this transaction. PO2, same supplier. Prime Sport Import Private Limited. INV 002. PO number Hold it. What access from the people? Can't you access from the shareholder from the other left? Can. So you can access to the area network by the other left, no? Oh, yeah. Then you set that again. Right. Because of the deadline on the project today, they submit the reports. Right. Purchase order for the same day. Same day mean 5th April. Now we are okay now? Right. Order the following item. 100 of each type of blades. In previously we ordered by the handle, now ordered by the blade. 400 blades in total. 100 from each item. Willow blade, white willow, aluminium and polymer blade. Unit price are given and the box prices are given. Right. Record this transaction. Go to the purchase. Enter purchase. Purchase. Enter purchase. From the drop down list, select order option. Order. Order. Supplier. Same supplier. Prime spot. Student. Now you select, listen very carefully. You select the existing supplier opened by the pending PO. Either you continue the pending purchase order or new purchase order depending on your transaction. In this transaction, we don't use by the existing PO, new PO. Then cancel on the existing PO. Then the press PO. Press PO. Right. PO 002. Date on same date, April 5th. INV 002. INV2. Complete the basic detail. Next, go to the form. Received. Received.
Nice.
Right. Received quantity 100. 100. Item blade. Ready? In previous 3 items still not updated. Not by the GRN, no. Only by the PO. You get here? RP cord handle 0. Wood handle 0. Rubber handle 0. Because of the PO. Only create the PO. Now, second items. A wood blade 100. Add a wood blade. Select the item. Wood blade. Unit price 500. Is it correct? No. 500. No. Yes. 500. Willow blade 450. Hundred. Willow blade. White willow, no? White willow blade. 450. Third one. Third one. 100 item. Right. Okay. And third one. Metal blade. Aluminium metal blade. Unit price 575. Wet liable. Last one. 100 item. Polymer blade. Polymer blade. Unit price 650. I complete the all item. Complete. At the other comment, the shipping method. Okay. Record. No, not change the tax code. Here, credit limit issues. Again, okay. Doesn't matter. Some shipment are charging on freight, some are exempted. Maybe. It's debate. Right. Click on here, register. Now you look at here. 2 pending purchase orders are there. Under the order status. Okay? Maybe some item, it doesn't matter. Either you add or remove. At the delivery time, you can add. In the PO, sometimes people are not adding on the what we call the freight charge. At the GR inside, we will charge from the, not actually we, the supplier charge from the freight charge. It's depends. Some suppliers are supply the item without charging the freight. The freight also including the item. Right. Next. Recording on the 2. Close. in the main window. Here given the freight charges. No? Okay. Yes, yes. I didn't see that one. Here given the 500 freight. Oh, don't worry. In the GRN time we will add. Right. Next one. Student. Now we complete the 2 POs. What is the next step in the purchase order process? Order. Tell me. Order. Receive the stock. GRN. Order and receive. Right. Look at here. PO1. Full order was received GRN on 7th April 23. Check the items and accepted by the warehouse people. Receive stock. System. Okay. Again, enter purchase. Enter purchase. Now, look at here. Quotation, order, bill. This time we select the bill option. Bill option, GRN. Who's the supplier? Prime spot. Select the prime spot. How many pending POs? Chatura? Yes, correct. 2 pending POs. 2 pending POs. Correct. Why are you laughing? Yes, correct. Right. From here, select the correct PO. PO1. Use this PO. Now open the pending PO. Pending PO. Now edit the PO detail. Not by April 5th. Change the date April 7th. 7th April. Then invoice this item. Here separate function called bill option. Bill option. Click on bill option. Then activate the received column and back order column. What is the difference between received and back order? The received means quantity received to our warehouse. The back order means the pending order. Pending means we ordered, student, we ordered 100. Sometimes supplier send the 80 item. Then the back order is 20. The back order means pending. In this case, in the first transaction, no back orders. The all item will received. The date on 7th. Look at it. Now again you can add the rate. Same amount. Click on record option. Record option. No change the tax code. Pre-rated. Okay. Because of the online system, no. Normally system are getting on the today days. These are the pre-rated. Okay. Credit limit issues 55,500 exceed the credit limit. I will teach you how to edit the credit limit again. Okay. Record this GRA. Student. Now you look at my screen by all. In previously, Puta, what? Look at the screen. In previously, this 100,000 order in the order status. Student, Look at very carefully. Now you click the register. Now in the order status, this 100,000 PO remove. Now where this PO detail? Where? In the bill option. Open bill option. Look at here, 100,000 detail are there. Got this point? Still one order in the PO pending 217,001 and the status change the first PO to the open bill status. Got this point? Correctly identify the accounting treatment. The way of the system will turn from one status to the other status. Right. Yes. Have you opened the existing company now? I think you missed that part. That's the reason. The system will not allow you to paying on the freight charges and discount and all without integrating the system. Hopefully, that's what the goals are correctly integrated. Otherwise, system will not be permitted use. I think you are absent in the class, not asked on the your page, not taking the attention. You are not allowed to run a system yet. What is point? Because of you didn't set that part. The freight part, discount part, and all. You have to integrate. Look at the tutorial and integrate. I didn't put the mistake. Okay. In the one bill, in the order status, another bill in the open bill status. The thing is that, look at it, that particular student didn't integrate the software. Look at here, where in the setup, link account, purchase. There should be integrated. Already I told you, without integrating the software, you can't continue the transaction part. At least take the screenshot from others, have to be integrated, not only the purchase, even in the sales. Link account in the sales. Right. Next one. Second PO. On 8th April 23, April 23, received the following item. Check the item and accepted by the warehouse. Right. GRN, no. GRN section. Student, look at the screen. Ordered 100, received 100. Ordered 100, received 70. What's the back order? Back order. 30 item in the back order. Ordered 100, received 80. How many item back? 20 item in the back order. Back means future order. receive the full quantity. Right. Record. Record. How you record this transaction? Tell me. Oh yeah. Enter purchase. Bill option. Supplier. Prime spot. Then open your pending order. PO2. Select this PO2. Change the date 8 April. Then click on bill option. Bill. Click on bill. Then activate on the additional column. Back order column. Ordered 100. Received 100. No backcode. Second one, ordered 100, received 70, 30 backcode. Type on here 30 backcode in the second one. And also you check the price level, the unit price. In the unit price, 500, 500 both. Here change 500. At the GRN, supplier increase the price. Increase the price here. Second item. Third one. Ordered 100. GRN by 80 item with the price level 600. Then 20 item back order. Unit price 600. Adjust both. Back order 20 item unit price 600. Last one, ordered 100, received 100, no back order, unit price 650. Same price. Complete. Now at the freight charges, at the GRN, 500. VAT liable. Freight charges. A record. No. Predated. Okay. Credit limit exceed. Okay. Now click on register option. First you go to the order status. Still some items are in the order status because of the pending back orders. 30 item and 20 item, no? 30 item and 20 item back code. Then open bill having two bills are recorded and like a GRA. But oh, 100. You can't change here 80, 100. Only the back order. Couldn't you look at this please. In the DRN, you can't change the original PO quantity. Keep the PO quantity as it is. Only just insert the quantity on back order. The system identify the order quantity and the receive quantity with the back order and continue the invoicing. Right. One back order still POs 002, 2 items. Double click and open. Double click and open. Look at here. Item is there, 30 item and 20 item. In the future, this 30 and 20 item will receive to the company with the different package slip. The total amount, look at here, 27,000. Cancel, eh? Just cancel, not recording. Right. Next one. Next transaction. Now raise the PO, get the item, and in the normal transaction, payment to supplier. Bill settlement. 15 April 23, paid the 50% of the total outstanding bill to the PO01 supplier with the check number from Sampath Bank current account. Right. Recording on this transaction. Go to the purchased, pay bill option. Pay bill. All right. Before that, we will edit the credit limit. There's a credit limit issues, no? In this existing supply. Right. How you edit the credit limit? Go to the card option, card file, card list, prime spot. Look at the current balance, 356,000. Edit. Go to the buying detail. Buying detail. Now look at here. Available credit in minus 281,000. Just that the company getting the permission by 75,000 credit limit. Now we change edit by 500,000. With the permission, not 5 million, 500,000. Understood? According to our consent, we can increase the credit limit. Actually, we have to get the permission from the top level people and the company supplier in against the price. So, then no issues. Then the previous message will not pop up your screen. Then okay. Close. Then payment of bill. Supplier payment. Go to the purchase, pay bill. Select your payment bank, Sampath Bank current account from here. Sampath Bank current account, not investment or payroll, Sampath Bank current account. use this account. Supplier, select the prime spot. Right. Now look at how many bills are outstanding. Student, you refer the date. What is the financial period start on? Yes, Suranti. Start on 1st April 23. Look at here. Before this date, free bills are outstanding. We call beginning balances. Free bills are outstanding from the previous to the financial period opening. From that date, look at here, month of April, actually this bill not actually outstanding. Maybe after getting on this item, pending. We settle the first one, click on in front of this bill. Paid on percentage. The percentage given on the transaction, 50%. Calculate the 50%. This transaction easy. 50,000 to 50, no? Otherwise, you go to the here, type the search button, calculator. Open the calculator. From the calculator, calculate the amount. Then how many assignment we receive? Count 1, 2, 3, 4. No, inform to others. 4. Right. From here, you calculate from the calculator. 50,000 to 50. Now, type your check number here. 100, 300. The payment date. Change the date. 23. Month of April. When? Payment date on 15th. 15th April. 1-5. Student. Now look at this transaction in the last rows. Total applied. Total applied 50,000. Total paid 0 out of mean different. Different mean automatically create the suspense account. To avoid this suspense, click on here amount place, amount cage. Automatically identify. Then click on tab button. Click on tab. Then automatically this out of balance turn to the total paid. No difference. Understood? Okay. Then record this bill payment. Record this bill payment. Right. Then click on register. This is your bank book. Bank book. Sampath Bank current account. Customize your period on 23 month of April. Enter. Withdrawal mean payment of 50,000 to 50. Your current account. Withdrawal. Withdrawal mean payment. Deposit mean increase your bank amount. Deposit amount and withdrawal amount. To get it in down, you can do the many different way. The type of payment you can select from here. Spend money, receive money, enter sale, receive payment like this. The given check number, set on here, card option and amount. Even you can go for the spill check. Spill the amount. Paying on the one check by the different expenses. Like we call spilt amount. And select amount on the account. We'll discuss in the later. These are the basic, very basic transaction. Close. Cancel. Now, okay, we will click on here. Transaction journal. Disbursement. Payment. 23. $250. 50,000 in the disbursement. Click on your purchased. Now update your purchase journal. Now we'll refer to your inventory item. Go to the inventory item list. Now look at here. Aluminium, metal blade, polymer, wood blade, willow blade, hard handle, rubber handle, wood handle. Increase the number of items by 100. Understood? In earlier, 0 item. Remember that, no? In earlier, 0 item. Now increase the quantity on hand by 100. After 3 hours, receive the quantity. Okay? Next. Second one. Payment on second supplier. Not second supplier, actually same supplier with the second purchase. 20th April, paid on 40% to the PO02. Change the check number 300, 301. Different check, no? Right. Try to incorporate this transaction. Purchase. Pay bill. Payment on same bank. Same supplier. Prime spot. Student, look at here. Now balance 50,250. Settle the part now. 50% settle. The 50% now in the pending. Try to understand this, the real accounting. The 50% now in the still in the payment. Outstanding. Now we'll settle on the second one. Click in front of this 225,500. Calculate the 40%. into 40%. 90,200. You calculated. Then type on 90,200 here. $90,200. Then automatically create the check number. Company එකනේ backup එක හැදුවේ. Name එක. Okay, I can check. The company name එක මෙතන තිබ්බනම් හරි. And your cam number. And your cam number. ඔක්කොම cam එක ලියන් එන leader cam එක. leader මේ ඉන්න. cam එකේ number එක. attendance sheet එක නේද? Right? Right. Then change the payment date April 20th. Click on here amount. In here amount 90,200. Now total paid on 90,200. Record. Go to the register. Withdrawal column 90,200. Student, now you look at your bank balance. Continuously drop your bank balance from the payment amount. Anjana, folder check कल बाला है ना अटमोड है ये folder में भी अटमोड नहीं है तीन जगह right. Close. Is it okay by all? I think today afternoon session no one joined by the online student. I think they informed them. Only me. Any question still? Yes. This is not free education. You are paying to the September's and September's pay to us. Try to understand. Either you or your parents taking on your own money or bank loans or something like that. MOH, bank loan, and pay to the SAP campus. Try to get the maximum benefit from what you invested. Hey, you invested. If you are not following, I don't know, following the rules and regulations. I'm a little bit simple person. If you are not studying properly, definitely getting on the wrong. Right. Try to record on next transactions. Turn to the tutorial. Right. Record this PO until to bring by your attendance sheet. Right. Start to record on this transaction. Complete? Right. Shall we record? Supplier Sachin Sport and items are cricket shoes. Right. Enter purchase from the here order supplier Sachin. Sachin Sport. Select the supplier. No pending orders. No pending orders. PO3 date on 23 April 11th. Change. Invoice number INV03. Received quantity on 12, so 20 pairs of platinum convertible Puma cricket shoe per pair 2,500. 20 item platinum shoes. This one, no? This one, no? Puma cricket, is it correct? No. Select the correct one, cricket shoe. Then the unit price 2,500 per pair. 50,000. VAT liable. Next. Ten pairs of Adidas cricket shoe. 10 pairs of Adidas cricket shoes on a unit price of 1,800. Next. Ten item of Nike cricket shoes. 10 item of Nike cricket shoes. Unit price 3,200. Complete. Is just a freight order, freight charges, no freight charges. Set the basic detail and all. Click on you have to keep the your mind, the PO number and the amount. That's enough. Record. No recording. Then review your transaction. Register 100,000 in the order. Is it there? Sachin. Complete by all. Next. Supplier Sachin send an order to the SAP club under the invoice number 3. The following item are GRN 1010.5. 1010.5 with the same price or different price. Check that. Different price. Right. Please support me from here. Invoice bill option, select the supplier, Sachin. Then open the pending order. Pending order is there. Use purchased. Right. Then change the date. What's the date? Not given. Either same date or the future date, maybe 13th. Okay. Then click on here bill option, GRN item. Then order 20 item, received 10. Then balance order in 10. Different price or same price? Different price. Price on 2600. Then edit your PO. Next one. Order 10 item, received 10. No back order. Don't put the 10 in here in the back order. A different price or same price? Same price. Next. Order 10, received 5. Then 5 order back. Understood, no? 5 order back. Price 3,500. Is there any freight charges? No freight charges. The total amount 105,000. The original 100,000. Change the price. A record. No. Predated. Okay. Now this order, the part of the order is still in the pending. The balance part forward to the GRN. Bill option. Register. Look at here. Sachin 43,000 in the order status. The balance transfer to the Sachin by 105,000. Balance means total order transfer with the amount. We can pay for this 105,000. But still items are in the pending. Close. Next. April 13, get invoice supplier from and record the invoice in the system. This bill paid on the 13 given on the transaction, no? 13. Fortunately, I put the correct date. 13. 20th, pay the bill by Sampath Bank check number 40% from the total outstanding. Right. Click on here. Pay bill option. Thank you. Pay bill option. Sampath Bank. Supplier. Sachin Spot. Right. Change the date and check number. The date of payment by 20th April, 40%. 20th April, okay. From here, 105,000, 40%. 105 into 40%. 42,000. 42,000. Type on here 42,000. Click on amount and tap. Amount and tap. Then no different. The payment amount by the bank payment record. Go to the bank register. 42,000 payment. Change by you. In automatically create my check number 100 302. Can don't worry about this. Actually, you try to understand the accounting process, way of recording the transactions. Next, is it okay? Right. We'll skip on this transaction for the moment. PO 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then go to the transaction order number 9. Right. Same transaction. Record on these transactions. Order number 9. Cancellation of video again. If you had any mistake, just you can edit it. But still, this is recorded in the audit track. So you have to be cancelling on the PO with the getting on the permission by the top level people. There is an use it. Is it okay? Edit the but important on it. Oh, name on. This one. External auditors have to be identified all the mistakes, all errors have to be identified. All the ඔය දාලා නැතනේ. දැන් මම පේනවා මට. ඔය කැම් නම්බර් එක තමයි හදන්න ඕනේ. ඊට පස්සේ අපි කරන්නේ ගන්නවද තමයි. ඔය දෙක මම බලන්න පටන් ගන්න ඕනේ. ඉතින් Record the purchase order 9. Talk about the model 1 and model 2. Just I give this transaction to recognize the practical way. Some companies are using the different models with the different prices. Model A, model B, model 1, model 2, like. Okay. 60 item of lever wood cricket bats in two models. Two models don't be applied on a two model. The given on this transaction to identify you. How the compact 60. We have one model, but some companies are maintaining a different model. On the next day, you have to bring the your project detail. In the additional time, we'll discuss with you regarding the your project detail. Right? Completed up to the trial balance. What are the accounts in the trial balance and customers, suppliers, and inventory. Select a maximum of 5 customers and maximum of 5 suppliers. And 3-4 inventory item or material and finished goods. Main item. Student, the friend asked a question. If we purchase on in some companies, purchase the item on the bundle, maybe packet, maybe bundle, maybe dozen, like this. But when you actually go for the selling part, you have to be sold by the same quantity or the item by item. Understand? Purchase unit of measurement and sales unit of measurement are different. Right? Shall we start to record this transaction? Okay. Supplier Malinga, date 15/23, ordered by wood cricket bats, two models. Actually, we in this cricket club, we didn't maintain the inventory and model wise. And one item 1,500 doesn't price by 18,000. 60 of MRF cricket bat, Blackberry cricket bat, and a sport cricket bat. 4 items. Receive the quantity on 17th. Settle the bill. Right. Now, shall we record this first transaction on here? Supplier Malinga. Enter purchase. Order. Supplier Malinga. Use supply. No pending POs. PO number, date. April 15. No. Invoice number, INV. Uh, 14. Right. Start recording the item. 60 item of wood cricket bats. Cricket bats. Wood cricket bat. Still 20 item in my stock. Now ordered by the 60 item. The price on dozen price 18,000. One unit 1,500. Student, if you put here like look at here in this transaction, doesn't including a 12 item. If you want to put on the dozen on here, how many dozens? 5, no? Then if you put on here 5 dozen, then including the unit price of 1,800. The both way you can record it. VAT liable. Number 2, MRF bats 60 MRF bats. Unit price 1,575. Yes, Sudha? Actually, we don't have a model A and B. Just only given these transactions to identify the student. There are models in the stock, but actually in this company no models. Just we maintain the item. Look at it. Look at it in this desktop. Like maybe Acer, sorry, EV's computer now. In the different sizes are there. 14 inches, 15 inches, 17 inches, like this, no, 20 inches. Likewise, you have to be maintain the inventory in the sizes. Like you maintain your inventory in the EV's computers, Acer computers, Dell computer, like this. You have to be maintain the inventory item. You have to think in your project. Okay, Buddha? Right. Next, no models in the our system, but still companies are maintain the models. 60 item of cricket bats, MRF. Sorry, unit price on 1,575. 500, 75. VAT liable. Next, 60 item of Bradbury cricket bats. 60 item Bradbury cricket bats. Select the correct item. Unit price 1,650. VAT liable. Last one, 60 item of Ace sport bat. Ace sport bat. 12 item in the stock. 1,800. Complete the item. Okay. Right? Then record this PO. Now change the tax code. In the order, Malinga 391,000 baht. Next. Quantity received, GRH, 17th. Received the different quantity, different amount. 40, 50, 60 and 60. In the first two cases, received actually getting on the less amount. Ordered and the received amount different. Look at the prices also. Right. Again, enter purchase, invoice or bill option, Malinga. pending PO. Use purchased. Change the date. April 17th. Invoice. Bill option. In the first two cases, getting the less amount, 40 and 50. Look at the prices. 40 and 50. 40 mean 20 back order. 50 mean 10 back order. Same price or different price? Different price. Price on 1,600. 1,600. Next, 1,000. Others, no different. Different. Next one, 180. 180. Next, complete. Right? Then record. Then backward is there. Record. No. Predated, okay. Then backward is there. Then next transaction, settlement of bill. 26 settled the 50,000, 50% with the commission on 3,000. Right. From the Sampath Bank. Go to the settle bill, Sampath Bank, supplier, Malinga. Date of payment, tell me the date, 26th. 26th. Which bill we sell? This one. The other one in the backward. The percentage on 50%. Calculate the percentage. 400 mean 200. 29 mean 14,500. No? 114,500. Is it correct? What's the amount? 40%. No. So, sorry. Then okay, no. 200. 29,000 into 50%. Yes. Yes. Sorry. Here discount are getting. First you insert the discount here. Before settle the bill. Here discount are getting. 3,000 discount. Type on 3,000. Then reduce your total payment. Understood? Then calculate. 50% means 13,000. 230,000. No? Is it correct? Student. Accounting people, no? Calculate. 400 mean half. 200. 26 half mean 13,000. 213,000. Then click on amount and click on tab. Payment on 213,000. The balance 213,000 from here is still in the next having outstanding. We'll see. Record. Register. 320,000 withdrawal. Right, student. Now There are some back orders are in the system from the three suppliers. Right, Malinga, Saki. I will teach you how to record in the back order. Right. We imagine that the one back order is received to the company. The transaction is not there. Right? Right. Go to the recording on back orders. Go to the purchase, enter purchase. In the bill option, select the supplier first, prime. Then use this supplier, one back order is there. Got this point? One back order is there, right? Then use this back order, change the date, not April 8, change the date after 1 week, April 14th, getting on this back order. With the same PO, same invoice number, different, maybe. Then click on here, bill option. Bill option. Okay. Then again, the system gives the provisions to the company whether from this 30 item you are getting all or part of the order. Got this point? So still pending in the 30 and the 20 no. The sometimes suppliers send only 20 in the second step. So in still the 10 item are back order or getting on the full item. What do you prefer? Tell me. In this order, again we raise the back order, complete the all item. All item. Okay. It is easy, no? Right. Anyway, you add the some amount of rate, 500 or something. Tap. Click on record. Then no pending order from the prime. Click order. No pending order from prime. Understood? Right. We'll see. Recording another back order from Sachin. 43,500. The originally date on invoice 13. Now we getting the item from the PO tree. We'll record. Double click and open. Easy path. Shortcut. Instead to go for the order and invoice like this, double click. Change the date. Maybe 18th. After 1 week. Then click on bill option. Now, look at here. We will create the different scenario. Order the still pending in the 10 item. The company by Sachin send the 8 item. How many items are pending? 2 items are pending. 2 back order. Insert. Then change the price again. Not 2,600, now 2,800. Increase the price. Understood? Right. Now, click on record. No. Okay, 3 data. Now look at it. Still 2 items are in the pending PO in the Malinga. Sorry. Not Malinga, Sachin, no, Sachin. Sachin. Double click and open. Too wide. Is it clear? Is it clear? Right. Now, go to the payment on this back order. Payment on this back order. Sorry, not record. Cancel. Close. Go to the pay bill. Sampath Bank. From Prime. You get here. Now the back order. The back order payment. Select the date. Maybe 26 April. Okay. Payment on 27,500. Still part of the item in originally. Then click on here and tab button record. Complete. Now try to record the back order in the Malinga and payment on the Malinga. There's one back order from the Malinga. Right. Incorporate a new entry for the getting on the back order from Malinga and settlement of bill. Getting on the full order in the back order. Full quantity. Use the same price. Student, take your notebook, write down the way of recording the transaction. Now, okay, after 2 weeks, 3 weeks, you are not keeping your mind how to record the dashboard and everything. Okay, right. Now, right. I will use the simple transaction and teach you to how to voice Chatura. Another one. Student, listen. Now I teach raising the purchase order complete. Is it finished? Listen. Right. Complete the PO complete. GRN complete. Back order complete. Payment complete. Okay. 4 things complete. Now I teach you the last section on the general purchase. Purchase return. Note down better. Note it down. The way of recording the return. Little bit complex than to others. Recording on purchase return. Right. First, I use the simple transaction to teach recording on a return. Right. First, you go to the enter purchase. Right. Select here order option. PO. Supplier select by here. First one Ashok Company. Ashok Company. Date 2nd April. 2nd April. INV 10. INV 10. Okay. Supplier, date, invoice number, and PO number. Then click on here received quantity 20 item. Select the one item. Select here lever wood cricket bat. Use this item. Now automatically take the price 1,600. 1,600. Then liable to VAT. Enough. Complete. Then click record. No. Credit limit issues okay. Don't worry. Click OK. Now click on register, order, Ashok company 32,000. Is it there now? 32,000 is there. Okay? Understand correctly. I use a simple transaction. Now, after few days, the company received this inventory. Go to the order, bill option. Bill. Bill means GRA. Select the supplier from here by Ashok company. Pending purchase order. Select this PO. Change the date, April 4th. 4th April. Same invoice number, different invoice number. Okay. Then click on invoice bill option. Assuming that no backcode, getting total quantity. Otherwise, it will be confused by beginning. Look at it. The normal transaction before the return may be backcoders, like our previous examples. No backcode. Getting on total amount by 32,000 record. No change the tax. Predated okay. Credit limit okay. Record. Now click on register. No detail on the order status transferred from order to bill. Look at here, Ashok company. Clear? Now, assuming that from this 20 item, you have returned the item to your supplier due to the quality issues, the price variation, due to the manufacturing faults, you return this item. Click on here, return. Still no item in the return. Okay. Then go to the new purchase option. New purchase. Select supplier, Ashok company. Change the date by April 7th. Same invoice number, different invoice number. Can INV 015. Okay. Now, in the receive column, with the minus, how many items we return? 5. No. We received 20, return, different, noted down. 5 item return. 5. Now the supplier send the 20 item and return the 5. Minus 5. Minus 5. No back order. Select the item. Which item we select? Liver cricket. Food cricket, no? Select the item. Food cricket, no? Select the correct item. Otherwise, return the different. This item. Now, unit price 1,600. Total minus 8,000. Then look at here. Now return the VAT. the 1200 watt portion written. Clear? Now record this transaction. Go to the register. Now 8,000 in the return and debits. Not complete. Now this amount have to be applied and reduced from our purchase. Here option called apply to purchase. Apply to purchase. Look at here, automatically updated. Select on here in front of the amount 32,000. System automatically identify the return amount. From reduce on your purchased. Change the date 23 month of April 11th. Okay, doesn't matter. Now click on record. Now from the return remove. From the return remove. Now this 8,000 reduced from our purchase. Right. Practice at home. Take the 40 minutes, 30 minutes time at your home. Normally, during the one day, you are using the mobile phone more than 3-4 hours. Right. Then shall we stop the class for the today? And next day, again, we will record on the new return item with the balance transaction on your tutor also. The result will created by the system, whatever the instruction and setting did by us. If you are not setting by the discount rate and all, the system will not be indicated by this amount. If the students are not shut down the computer. They shut down your computers before leaving the lab. Another computer instruction. You shut down the computer. If you are myself, right. Don't close the software, go to the file option and exit. No session report. In the future, do not show this message. Don't take the backup. Again, file 2 times, exit. No session report, log off.